Black holes are one of the most fascinating objects in the universe. These mysterious objects are known for their incredible gravitational pull, which is so strong that not even light can escape. But what are black holes, and how do they form? At their simplest, black holes are objects in space that have a gravitational pull so strong that nothing can escape once it gets too close. This means that if you were to get too close to a black hole, you would be pulled in and never be able to escape. There are different types of black holes, each of which is formed in a slightly different way. The most common type is known as a stellar black hole, which is formed when a massive star collapses in on itself at the end of its life. As the star collapses, its gravity becomes stronger and stronger, eventually becoming so strong that it creates a black hole. Another type of black hole is the supermassive black hole, which is much larger than a stellar black hole and is thought to exist at the center of most galaxies. It is still not entirely clear how these black holes form, but it is believed that they are the result of the merger of many smaller black holes over time. In recent years, scientists have made many new discoveries and theories about black holes. One of the most fascinating is the idea that black holes might actually be doorways to other parts of the universe. Some scientists believe that if you were to enter a black hole, you might be transported to another part of the universe, or even to another universe entirely. Another intriguing theory is the idea that black holes might be connected to dark matter, which is a mysterious substance that makes up a large part of the universe but has never been directly detected. Some scientists believe that black holes might be the key to understanding dark matter, and that studying them could help us unlock some of the universe's greatest mysteries. Despite all the progress that has been made in our understanding of black holes, there is still much we don't know. But one thing is for sure. These mysterious objects will continue to captivate scientists and the public alike for many years to come. In addition to their fascinating properties, black holes are also responsible for some of the most extreme phenomena in the universe. For example, as matter falls into a black hole, it heats up and emits radiation that can be detected by telescopes. This process, known as accretion, can create incredibly bright and energetic jets of particles that shoot out from the black hole at nearly the speed of light. Black holes can also cause gravitational lensing, which occurs when their gravity bends light from objects behind them. This effect can be used to study distant galaxies and even to search for planets outside of our solar system. While black holes themselves are invisible, scientists have developed various techniques for detecting them indirectly. For example, when matter falls into a black hole, it emits X-rays that can be detected by space-based observatories like NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory. Scientists can also study the motions of stars and gas clouds around black holes to infer their presence. Despite the incredible progress that has been made in our understanding of black holes, there is still much to learn. For example, scientists are still trying to understand the properties of the event horizon, which is the boundary around a black hole beyond which nothing can escape. They are also studying the behavior of matter as it falls into a black hole, which could help us understand how black holes grow and evolve over time. Black holes are one of the most fascinating and mysterious objects in the universe. They are responsible for some of the most extreme phenomena in nature, and studying them could help us unlock some of the universe's greatest mysteries. While there is still much we don't know about black holes, the progress that has been made in recent years has been truly remarkable, and we can expect many more exciting discoveries in the years to come. One of the most intriguing aspects of black holes is their connection to the fabric of space and time itself. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, the gravity of massive objects like black holes warps the fabric of space and time, creating what is known as a spacetime curvature. This means that time itself can be affected by the gravitational pull of a black hole, causing time to slow down or speed up depending on your proximity to the black hole. Another interesting property of black holes is their ability to emit radiation through a process known as Hawking radiation. This phenomenon was predicted by physicist Stephen Hawking and is caused by the quantum effects that occur at the event horizon. While Hawking radiation is too weak to be detected from a distance, it could have important implications for our understanding of the fundamental laws of physics. The study of black holes has also led to some unexpected discoveries, such as the recent detection of gravitational waves. Gravitational waves are ripples in spacetime that are caused by the movements of massive objects, such as black holes or neutron stars. In 2015, the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, LIGO, detected the first ever gravitational waves, which were created by the merger of two black holes. Overall, black holes are a fascinating and mysterious subject that has captured the imagination of scientists and the public alike. From their extreme gravitational pull to their connection to the fabric of space and time, black holes offer endless opportunities for discovery and exploration. As our technology and understanding of the universe continue to evolve, we can expect even more exciting discoveries and breakthroughs in the field of black hole research.